Hello students, myself Professor Ashok M. Jain. In this lecture I am going to start two-port network. So here in this lecture we will discuss what is a two-port network, that is introduction and some equations related with this. Okay, so what is a two-port network? Actually till date we have studied only one port, clear, and one port with two variables V and I. Clear, but in this lecture we will discuss two pair of ports, clear, with the four variables, right? So in one port, clear, so we have only two terminals with and with the two variables V and I. But in the two port network, you can say this is the two port network. You can say here this is the two port network. This is the network we have given. This is one port known as V1 1 dash, and second port, that is 2 dash. Okay, so this is the two port network. This is called as input port and this is called as output port, right? Four variables are there. V1 and I1 input port pe hai. These are the two variables, and V2 and I2 are the two quantities at the output port, right? So this is the two port network with four variables V1, I1, V2, I2. Out of these four variables, two are independent and two are dependent. याद रखना, चार variables में से दो independent हैं और दो dependent हैं. कोई भी दो independent हो सकते हैं, कोई भी दो dependent हो सकते हैं, right? So, and we have four pairs are there, one dash, two dash, clear? With the port 1 dash, it is known as input port, and 2 dash is known as the output port. So this is called as two port network. We will discuss numerical theory based on that. Clear? Example क्या है? Electronic amplifier is an example of two port network. Transmission line, transmission line रहती है, इसको बोलते हैं sending end, और this is the receiving end. Current ऐसा जाता है. Clear? So this transmission line is also example of two port network. Transformer, you can see this is the input side, this is the output side. It is example of two port network, right? So it is example of two port network: transformer, transmission line, and electronic amplifier, like that, right? Now next, how to represent this two port network? That is the parameters of the two port network. What are the parameters of the two port network? The two port network can be described by four types of parameter. Four parameters, right? It is described by four parameters. First one is known as impedance parameter. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Z parameter. Impedance मतलब Z parameter. इसका एक और नाम है open circuit parameter. So impedance parameter are open. Second parameter we have, that is known as admittance parameter or Y parameter. Admittance is represented by Y. So admittance parameter, Y parameter. Second. Third is known as transmission parameter, ABCD parameter. Transmission parameter or ABCD parameter. And last one is known as hybrid parameter, hybrid or H parameter. So we will discuss all these four types of parameter: Z, Y, transmission, and hybrid parameter. Clear? So in this we will discuss what is a Z parameter, what is a admittance parameter, what is a transmission parameter or H parameter, definitions, equations, and in the next presentation we will discuss the relationship between these two, any two, right? The next one is, what is a Z parameter? Now see here, this is the two port network I have given. this is I1 incoming current and I2 is also incoming. याद रखना, both currents are incoming current, I1, right? So I'm assuming V1 I1, V2 I2, 4 variables are there. Okay, so here in the Z parameter, right, the equations describe the Z parameter is V1 and V2 are represented in terms of I1 and I2. Yes, V is a function of I. याद रखना, ये इतना आपको याद रहा तो you can define, you can get the relationship. V is a function of I. कौन कौन से V हैं? V1 and V2. V1 and V2, it is a function of, so V is a function of I1 and I2, V2 is a function of I1 and I2. 1, 1, V1, I1, ये पैरामीटर क्या होगा? Z11. 1, 2, V1 and I2, it is called as 1, 2, Z12. Like V21, Z21, 2, 2, Z22. So you can write the Z parameter equations of the Z parameter. V1 is Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2, V2 equal to Z21 I1, Z22 I2. Please याद रखना, V is a function of I. Now, if port 2 is open, अगर आप port 2 को open छोड़ दो तो कौन सी term जीरो हो जाएगी? Current. अगर port open है तो current will be zero. Port 2 is open, current I2 will be zero. अगर ये जीरो है सो क्या आएगा? Z11 क्या होगा? दिस टर्म विल बी जीरो. सो Z11 क्या होगा? V1 by I1 बचेगा ये ना, ये बचेगा. सो Z11 इक्वल टू व्हाट? V1 अपॉन I1 ओम. सिमिलरली Z21 क्या होगा? V2 अपॉन I1, 2 1 V2 अपॉन I1, V2 upon I1 in ohm, right? Like that. Similarly, if port 1 is open, similarly if the port 1 is open, क्या होगा? If port 1 is open, so I1 will become 0. That term will be 0. Okay, so you will get Z12 क्या होगा? 1 2 V1 upon I2, V1 upon I2 is Z12 and Z22 क्या होगा? V2 upon I2. Unit will be ohms. So Z11, Z12, Z21, Z22 you will get. Clear? Why it is called as open circuit parameter? Because we are keeping the we are keeping the ports open. That's why it is called as open circuit parameter. Clear? Second parameter I am going to discuss, that is called as Y parameter or short circuit parameter. Okay. Okay. Next, Y parameter or short circuit parameter or admittance parameter. Here याद रखना, यहाँ पर I is a function of V. Be careful about it. I is a function of V. इसका मतलब है currents are represented in terms of voltages. I1 and I2 are represented in terms of V1 and V2. 1 1 Y11, 1 2 Y12, 2 1 Y21, 2 2 Y22. So this is the equation. I is a function of V, right? I1 equal to Y11 V1 plus Y12 V2, I2 equal to Y21 V1. Okay. Now क्या करना है? Port 2 को short करना है. If port 2 is short, that's why it is called a short circuit parameter. अगर किसी पोर्ट को शॉर्ट करोगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? V2 कितना हो जाएगा? यहाँ पर शॉर्ट किया तो V2 will be 0. So this term will be 0. So you will get Y11. Y11 क्या आएगा? Y11 equal to I1 by V1. Mho. Unit will be mho. Similarly Y21 क्या होगा? I2 by V1. Mho. Clear? So that is the way of finding the Y11 and Y21. If port 1 is shorted, अगर आप port 1 को short कर दिया तो क्या होगा? V1 will become 0. V1 will become 0 मतलब this term will become 0. ये रहेगी नहीं. तो क्या आएगा? Y12 equal to what? Y12 equal to what? Y12 equal to I1 by V2. I1 by V2 mho. And I2 equal to क्या होगा? I2 equal to, sorry, Y22 equal to क्या होगा? I2 by V2 mho. So this is the way of finding the parameter. But याद रखना, in case of Z parameter, V is a function of I. In case of Y parameter, I is a function of V. Clear? Third parameter I am going to discuss, that is called as transmission parameter, or you can say one more name, ABCD parameter. So transmission parameter में भी यही same I1 और I2 both are incoming current, V1 and V2. Four variables are there, V1, I1, V2, I2 both are incoming current. Clear? Here one is a function of 2. One is a function of 2. V1 and I1 is a function of V2 and I2. One is a function of 2. In Z parameter, V is a function of I. In Y parameter, I is a function of V. In transmission parameter, 1 is a function of 2. So V1 and I1 is a function of V2 and I2. V2, I2, V2, I2. A, B, C, D. But याद रखना यहाँ पर दोनों जगह प्लस साइन था, यहाँ माइनस साइन आएगा. Z parameter plus sign was there. In Y parameter it was a plus sign, but here it is a minus sign. Be careful about it. इसमें ही सिर्फ माइनस आता है, याद रखना. Okay. So if port 2 is open, port 2 open है तो क्या होगा? Port 2 अगर open है तो क्या होगा? I2 will be 0. You will get A and C. A equal to what? A equal to what? V1 upon V2. No unit. No unit. A में unit नहीं है, याद रखना. Be careful about it. Examiner may ask this question: which is the unitless transmission parameter? A. Clear? और अगर I2 0 है तो I1 equal to C V2. C equal to what? I1 upon V2. I1 upon V2. C equal to ये आएगा ना, I2 0 है तो I1 equal to C V2. C equal to what? I1 by V2. यूनिट क्या होगी? मो. I upon V मो. इफ सेकेंड टाइम क्या करेंगे हम? पोर्ट 2 को शॉर्ट कर देते हैं. पोर्ट 2 शॉर्ट, पोर्ट 2 ओपन, पोर्ट 2 शॉर्ट. पोर्ट 2 शॉर्ट है तो V2 विल बी 0. सो यू विल गेट B एंड D. P इक्वल टू व्हाट? V1 इक्वल टू क्या आएगा? V1 इक्वल टू माइनस B I2. सो I2 इक्वल टू V2. B इक्वल टू व्हाट? माइनस V1 अपॉन I2. यूनिट क्या होगा? ओम. ओके. एंड I1 इक्वल टू माइनस D I2. सो D इक्वल टू क्या होगा? माइनस I1 अपॉन I2. नो यूनिट. नो यूनिट. याद रखना, ए और डी के यूनिट नहीं होते. ओके. सो दैट इज द वे. ओके. सो यू विल गेट इट. ए और डी के कोई यूनिट नहीं है. बी केयरफुल अबाउट इट. आई एम रबिंग इट. सो इन केस ऑफ जेड पैरामीटर, v is a function of I. In case of y parameter, I is a function of v. In case of transmission parameter, 1 is a function of 2, but याद रखना यहाँ माइनस साइन है. A B C D, right? And last, that is called as hybrid parameter. It is a hybrid, मतलब hybrid ही है. Hybrid parameter, H parameter में क्या है? मिक्स है. V1 and I2. V1 and I2 is a function of I1 and V2. Be careful about it. It is a hybrid parameter. V1 and I2 is a function of I1 and V2. 1 1 H11, 1 2 H12, 2 1 H21, 2 2 H22. Okay, so यहाँ फिर से प्लस साइन इज देयर, राइट? सो बी केयरफुल आउट. दोनों करंट I1 और I2 इनकमिंग ही है हर जगह. ओके. सो बस port 2 is open, sorry, short. Port 2 is short. V2 will be 0. So this term will not be there. You will get H11. H11 is what? V1 by I1 ohm. H21 क्या होगा? I2 upon I1, no unit. Okay. And if पोर्ट 2 को शॉर्ट किया था, अब पोर्ट 1 को क्या करेंगे? पोर्ट 1 को ओपन. व्हेन द इनपुट पोर्ट इज ओपन सर्किटेड. अगर पोर्ट 1 ओपन है तो I1 विल बी 0. सो दिस इज नॉट देयर. सो H12 क्या होगा? V1 अपॉन V2. H12 क्या होगा? V1 अपॉन V2, नो यूनिट. और H22 क्या होगा? I2 अपॉन V2. I2 अपॉन V2. I अपॉन V क्या होता? मो. ओके. सो इन दिस वे यू कैन फाइंड ऑल पैरामीटर्स, and they are really very simple. You can get it. Okay, so I'm rubbing it. So in this way you can find all 4 parameters: Z parameter, Y parameter, transmission parameter and H parameter, right? So I'm stopping here. Thank you very much for listening me carefully. Okay, and in the next lecture we will discuss the relationship between all these types of parameters. Okay, and that is important also.